So in the first example, just if you take this picture, the same picture with this one, and let us assign this just values, different values, right? So this one is just 70 degree, but if you draw a line just like this, a straight line that crosses through this 70 degree, that means just this one will be, right? This is given just 30 degree. That means this will be alternate interior angle. So this and this will be the same. So 30 degree. So totally this is 70 degree. That means this one will be 40 degree, right? Because 40 plus 30 will be this one 70 degree. So that means just this one is alpha. If this one is also alpha, and if you draw a straight line like this, a straight line that crosses through alpha, right? Just like this. Then what does it mean? This has shown here, just this is 30 degree means this one is 30 means this one is also 30 degree, right? This one is also 30 degree because they are alternate interior angles. They are just because of this line, if it is A, if it is B, they are just, this is D2 actually, this is D1 and this is D3. D3 and D2 are just parallel because of this 30 and this one is 30. Then this is totally A, that means it will be alpha minus 30. This degree will be alpha minus 30. If this degree is alpha minus 30, we'll find another alternate interior angle with this one, and it will be alpha minus 30 degree. Then if this one is just alpha minus 30 degree, this one also alpha minus 30 degree, because they are just they are matching angles. This one and this one, they are matching angles. That means they are the same. So the other thing, just you have to remember this one also. You have to recognize this degree is also the same as with this one. You see, these are alternate interior angles. This one and this degree are alternate interior angles because of this D1 and this another parallel line which is created. Just we can differ just D4. So this and these are just the same. That means we can create an equation like 2 times the alpha minus 30 is equal to this degree, this 40 degree. So that alpha minus 30 is equal to 40 over 2, which means alpha minus 30 is equal to 20. Then alpha is equal to 50 degrees. So the answer for the first one will be, this is just 50 degrees. Right? So for the second one also, you have to use the same thing. Just if you draw a line like this that is crossing this one, just like this, what does it mean? Right? And if you draw a line here also, the same thing. If you draw a line here also, which is parallel to D1 and D2, so that means this one, how much? This one is just alpha. And this one is totally 80, so that means this one is just 80 minus alpha, right? 80 minus alpha. Then that means this one how much? This one is also alpha, because this one, this degree and this degree are equal. And this means just alpha, 50 minus alpha. Then if this one is 50 minus alpha, this one is just 50 minus alpha. Then you can create just 2 times 50 minus alpha, 2 times this degree, because this degree and this one are equal. This one are equal, right? Because they are just alternate interior angles. 2 times 50 minus alpha is equal to 80 minus alpha, right? So 100 minus 2 alpha is equal to 80 minus alpha. So that means 100 minus 80 is equal to just 2 alpha plus 2 alpha minus alpha. So that means alpha is equal to 20 degrees. So this is alpha 20 degrees.